Welcome students. Myself Professor Sunita Khenna from KKWAG Institute of Engineering Education and Research Nasik. For control system 2, our experiment number 2 is effect of sampling period and verification of sampling theorem. So today we are going to learn all about the sampling process. When you will write the write-up for this experiment, a complete write-up is expected to have first title, aim, then software requirement, theory you will write, problem statement and its solution, that means sampling theorem, simulation code on online MATLAB platform, snapshot of the code and MATLAB figure with your name and roll number, observation, and lastly you will write the conclusion. Now regarding this theory, first we will see what is the sampling process. For that sampling we will require the main component, that is sampler. Why this sampler is required? Because we have to convert analog signal into digital signal. As we learn that there are so many advantages of digital control systems. For example, this system uses digital controller, okay, and so we can obtain the maximum productivity, high accuracy, minimum cost. Also, data processing with the help of this digital controller is straightforward and fast. The complex control calculations can be performed very easily. The digital processors are very compact, light in weight, versatile, and so on. So due to so much advantages, we are using digital control system, that means discrete time signals rather than analog signals. And for that purpose, we require sampler. Sampler is simple switch which opens and closes after regular interval of time. And that time is known as sampling period. And sampling period is the reciprocal of sampling frequency. Okay. All right. Then we will learn what is the MATLAB program for performing this experiment. Learning outcomes from this experiment will be like this. After the successful completion of this experiment, students will be able to find transfer function of given system in MATLAB from numerator and denominator. Obtain the discrete time signal of the same continuous time transfer function for different sampling periods using MATLAB course. Now different sampling periods, we are going to use 0.5 second, 1 second and 2 second, and we will observe what is the effect on the response of the system. Then observe the effect of different sampling period of on the system performance. Our aim is change the sampling period using MATLAB course, observe effect of different sampling period on system performance. What is software requirement? Computer system with MATLAB, MATLAB Simulink toolbox, control system toolbox and DSP toolbox. MATLAB live editor is also required. Theory should answer the following questions. Define sampling period. What is sampling process? What do you mean by aliasing? What happens if we sample the signal at a frequency that is lower than the Nyquist rate? Explain low pass filtering. Do you know, students, the standard sampling rate for different applications? So, see the sampling rate for telephone, walkie-talkie, wireless intercom and wireless microphone, it is 8000 Hertz. Okay. For standard audio sampling rate, it is used by professional digital video equipment such as tape recorders, video servers and vision mixers. It is 48,000 Hertz. And for commercial digital audio recorder, it is 50,000 Hertz. So what is the meaning of this? It means for different applications, different sampling rates are used. And this theorem, sampling theorem, gives the base to select the sampling frequency. Okay. So it provides standard mathematical base for the sampling and reconstructing the signal. So we can again get original analog signal. The selection of this sampling frequency Fs is very important. This frequency is related to the frequency content of the signal to be sampled. Okay. Suppose Fs is the maximum sampling, Fs is the sampling frequency and F maximum is the maximum frequency in the signal. For example, speech frequencies are in the range of 50 to 5000 Hertz. Okay. So what will be maximum frequency F maximum? It is 5000. So if we have to recover that speech again from sampled signal into analog signal, our fs sampling frequency should be greater than or equal to 5000, twice 5000. It means our sampling rate should be equal to at least 10,000 hertz or more. Then and then only we can reconstruct the original signal. Okay. Now, what is the procedure? Open the link given below to run code online. So this is the link mathworks.com. We will use this link to run this program online. So it is not necessary to download the MATLAB in your mobile or laptop. We can perform directly online. Run MATLAB program, change sampling period, observe the effect of change in the sampling period, take a snapshot of the same, write conclusion and observation. Live MATLAB editor we will use, problem assignment questions. Now this is the MATLAB program. Okay? And now we will use that link and I will share you that link